Welcome to Core Mode. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can set up the React Native CLI in Windows. For this purpose, we will go onto the website of React Native, that is reactnative.dev. After that, we will click on the Get Started, and on this page, we will click on the Environment Setup. Under the Environment Setup, you can see setting up the development environment. Then ensure that you have selected the React Native CLI Quick Start. Then we need to select the development OS Windows and the target OS Android because the iOS isn't supported in the Windows. Then we need to install the Node and JDK. JDK is basically a Java development kit. To install the Node and JDK, we need Chocolatey. Chocolatey is a kind of command line tool that helps us to install the software into the system. Let's open the Chocolatey in the new tab. Click on the install now. The step 1 is to subscribe the Chocolatey newsletter. That's optional, so we leave it. In the step 2, there is the requirements which you can read carefully. Then we can select the individual or organization. I will select the individual. Then we need to copy this command. Let's open the PowerShell. But we need to open the PowerShell as an administrator. That step is required. Let's paste the command and hit the enter. It's installing the Chocolatey in the system. That will take some time. Let me get back to you when it's done. Now the Chocolatey has been installed. Then we will copy this command to install the Node.js and open JDK 8. I will paste here and hit the enter button to install the Node.js and open JDK 8. It will take some time to download and install both of them in my system. Now the both have been downloaded into my system. Let's close the PowerShell. Let's open the command prompt to check if the Node.js has been installed or not. For this purpose, I will write node -v to check the version of the node. It tells me the node version is 15.13.0. Now I'm going to check the npm version, which is the node package manager that helps us to install the node packages. For this purpose, I will write npm -v. So the npm version is 7.7.6, but the latest version is available, that is 7.8.0, which I can update by running the npm install -g npm @7.8.0. Let's leave it for now. Now we need to install the Android Studio in the system. Let's open the website and install the Android Studio. Click the download button and accept the terms and condition and click on the download. I have downloaded the Android Studio. It took a long time. Now I am going to install this. Here you must click the Android virtual device, then click on the next button. I will go with the default path. You should keep it as it is so you can follow the official document steps. It has been installed. Now I am going to open the Android Studio. I will go with the default settings. This is the home page of Android Studio. Let's click on the next. Here I will select the custom. I will leave the path as it is. Here you can select the theme. I will go with the dark mode. Then I will go with the default selections. These are the packages that will be installed. Let's keep it in the background and go with another step. Now we need to configure the Android home environment variable. From here I will copy the Android home to avoid the spelling mistakes. I will search the environment variable here. Then I will go into the environment variables. Here I will add the new path. I will paste the variable name here, Android home. For the variable value, I will go into the this PC and local disk C. Then I will go into the users. Then I will go with my username. Here I will go into the view and select the hidden items. That makes the app data folder visible to me. I will go into the folder and then go into the local folder. Now I will go into the Android folder. Here in the SDK, I will copy the path from the status bar and paste it into the variable value and then click the OK button, then save it. to verify the environment variable which we just added, I will open the PowerShell and paste it on the PowerShell and hit the enter button. Here you can see Android Home is available. Now we need to platform tools to path. For this purpose we will go into the environment variable again. Now I am going to copy this path. Let's find the path. Here is the path. Let's double click here, or can also click on the edit button and add that path here. Now our React Native CLI setup has been done. To verify this, we are going to create a new application on our system. I have created the folder named React Native. I will open the CMD on this folder and I will write the command here to create the React Native project. It will create the React Native project with the boilerplate. The app has been created. Now I am going to open this folder into the VS Code. I am going to open the terminal here. Now I will write the command to run the app. When you run the React Native app very first time, it will ask you for the permission to access. We will allow the access here. We'll download some dependencies here, especially the Gradle that you can see downloading into the system. You might face this kind of error: could not determine the dependencies of task, app install debug, failed to install the following Android SDK packages as some licenses have not been accepted. So we need to accept the license for build tools and platforms. Let's do this. We can do this with a command line. This is the command which we are going to run on the CMD. We will accept all the licenses here. Let's try to run the application again. Now the application is running. Let's open the emulator here and also the Metro bundler here. Here we need to reload this. Now our app is running perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Code Mode. If you have any question regarding this, you can ask into the comment section. Thank you for watching.